How can you save a web page for offline reading on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So actually you have more ways how you can do this, but we're going to assume that you are using Safari for that. And at first we are going to open up the settings app, go to the apps at the bottom of this main page, and then of course proceed to the Safari. And plenty of different things which you can browse or go through, but I want you to make sure to go to the automatically save offline button at the bottom, right? So it is part of the reading list, and once you check it on, you automatically save off for offline use all of the websites which are added to the reading list. So all you have to do now is to go to Safari, open up any web page you want, click on the button next to the URL, perhaps tap on the three dots for more options, but essentially you want to add it to the reading list. And once it's added to the reading list, it will automatically be downloaded and saved for offline access. So you'll be able to just access it anytime you want. Also, there are more ways how you can do this, because you can just simply capture a screenshot of the web page and tap on it for, to edit the screenshot and switch from just the screen view to the full page view. And this will save the entire web page as a PDF, which is naturally going to be stored in the Files app, accessible offline and without any internet. So I guess you would get the job done too. So yeah, that's another method. Depends on which one you want to go with. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.